Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play in tournament mode, in multiplayer mode. Let's click the tournament event, click the multiplayer tournament. So in this tournament, in this multiplayer tournament, you will play in 10 versus 10 kill confirm. So you have to collect the enemy dog tags. The most dog tag collected by the team, so the team will win. The highest point or the more you collect the dog tags, so the more point you can get, so your team will win. So let's get started the tournament 10 versus 10 kill confirm. So the collect enemy dog tags to score for your team. So we are going to play in Crossfire map. It's quite big map with 10 versus 10%. Yeah, welcome to the tournament. So in this mode you have to collect the dog tags. So this is, for example, this is the dog tags you have to collect. So the more point at the top of your screen, for example, as you can see, this is the point. The more dog tag you can collect, the more point you can add by killing the enemy. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.